for coming out and joining in this celebration, because that's what it is, a celebration. For my brother and my sister. They're homegoing. And that's what it was, a homegoing. Because we know where they are. So we're going to watch as they put Lottie Stone in. And then after Lottie Stone, they'll put Elroy Stone in. After that, if you have a few words that you would like to say on Lottie's behalf, a few words that you would like to say on Elroy's behalf, feel free. But I just ask you, since there's so many of us, I ask you just keep it as small as possible, maybe just a minute. Because if you didn't tell them why they were here, you give them their flowers while they can smell them. So just say what's on your heart, and we appreciate anything that you have to say about our loved ones. After that, before we close, Reverend Patterson is going to have closing words. But before he have closing words, we're going to release some doves. One for the Father, one for the Son, and one for the Holy Ghost. All right. We're going to release those. And then after that, we're going to do a little singing. We're going to send them home. Old gospel style. So, all right. So we're going to watch as they lay Lottie's headstone. All right. Oh, yeah. Yes, he did.
Thank you.
Her life. We all know she was a friend, but most of all, first she was a daughter. Then she was a sister, a mother, a wife, and then a friend. And a grandmother. You can't leave that out because serenity. A grandmother. But Elroy's come down at 2 o'clock. So while we're waiting on Elroy's, would anybody have anything they'd like to say on Lottie's behalf? Please feel free to come. Come on, Pam. Pam is Lottie's best friend from elementary school.
Come on, Pam.